I am on Cypress Mountain with Steph and Shira and Devin, and we're going to do the Howe Sound Crest Trail today.
Thank you, readers, for getting your day passes.
Right after we show off our day passes. There's a bear in the area, so that's cool. I have wanted to do the Howe Sound Crest Trail for years now, actually. And so it has been 1 year since Tahoe 200. And so here I am with my team Tahoe, and we are doing Howe Sound Crest Trail. So it's 29 kilometers. It should take us about, we're hiking it mostly, so 12 to 14 hours. Let's find out. Sadly, we have a smoky day. The wildfires in Oregon, Washington have come up to Vancouver. And we can't really complain because this is not fire. We just won't get to see too many views. And did I mention there's a lot of climbing today? Maybe 25 meters worth of climbing, and it has begun. 1 mile in, 1.6 kilometers, and a lot of climbing to go. Okay, scratch that, just less than 2,000 maybe. Anyway, that's still a lot of climbing.
5 kilometer uphill.
It'll focus on there. Yeah, isn't that neat?
Oh, okay, cool.
The lions. I'll borrow somebody's picture. It doesn't show up through here.
We'll all share.
2.2 kilometers down, and it's probably gonna get slower from here. Well, after we go down. Yeah. The trail is in poor condition. We had an improved trail, and now we get a shitty trail, I guess.
I didn't even know.
Yeah.
I didn't.
Okay, we are approaching St. Mark's Summit. The first summit of, how many summits are we doing today?
Oh God, I don't even want to know.
Shira will know. Shira, how many summits are we doing today? Normally there would be some pretty amazing views, but right now you get to see some smoke down there. You're welcome. This is not the real path.
There's a nice.
Oh, there's a nicer path down there, right? Okay. So we have left St. Mark's. Okay, left St. Mark's, and we have. That was first peak. We've probably got 5 more peaks ahead of us, and supposedly it's gonna get a lot rougher. Our average pace will probably double per kilometer. And then that just means it's gonna get more beautiful, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so we took a wrong turn. We got off track. We went back up and we thought we were back on track, but we were actually just backtracking. So we were going back to where we came from. So then we got turned around again, and now we are definitely going the right way. So that was fun. I think we are coming upon our second peak. which would be the first Mount Unnecessary peak. We're at 7.6 kilometers in, and it is definitely slow going, a lot of straight up. We have reached. Yes, yes we have. That's the sign that they give Mount Unnecessary. Black sign. I think we're coming close to the second summit of Mount Unnecessary. Here we are. Second peak.
Whoa.
Of Mount Unnecessary. And there's 3. And no marker up there? This does seem right.
Yeah.
It feels right. Yeah, I would keep going up. Peak 3! Just came down that very steep, basically rock face.
Sarah and Steph guided me down. Are cool, but it is a scramble up. I just gotta keep scrambling, get up there to the top. Everybody else is up ahead. Okay, helmet needed if you want to go that way. I never want to go that way. We will go down. It's only for bike riding.
Yeah. We are on the head of the lion, and those are the ears. We're headed that way. Those 2 peaks, James and David.
And apparently there might be a third, but we're not sure.
Maybe a third, yeah. Who knows? We will find out. Ooh. Oh yeah.
so much scrambling came from. Oh, look at that lake. You see the lake down there? Kind of see the lake through the smoke. That's where I came from. Well, we all came from. Everybody else is up ahead. I'm gonna go up there. I'll do that. Onwards.
Like be big and make noise and go away, bear!
Go away! Just let this hike me.
Oh yeah, right on the path.
Still right there. Where'd he go?
Oh, he's there. Oh, I think he's coming up.
No. Really?
Other way.
You don't want to come up here, bear.
Go away, bear. Right here.
Yeah. The bear. Yeah. Right. We're coming through. We're coming through. He's right there.
Yeah, he's just eating. He didn't notice me at all, but he is very close.
How do we get him away?
I don't know.
So we got a bear problem?
Yeah, he's right here.
Oh. Gary's really scary. I have an urge to just kind of go.
Is he up there?
I have an urge to just kind of go. Oh no, he's right there. He is right there.
Where's he going?
He's going. Where do we want to go?
Go away, bear!
Go away, bear! Hey, bear! Go away, bear! He doesn't see. He's no, he doesn't give a shit about us at all. Bear. Yeah, keep going. There. Oh, you don't have to look at me. Just keep going. That way. Yeah. Keep going. Oh, the space you want. Okay, we're coming through now. Don't come close. We're here. Coming through. We're alive. Yeah. We made it past the bear. He did go this way down the mountain, but
I think he may go over
there. He don't want us anyway, so we are going to continue on our trek.
I did flash my whole head. It was wonderful.
We're here. We're at the meadows. They have a name, I forget.
Magnesia.
Sandwich.
Also known as Sandwich Meadows.
Sandwich Meadows.
Magnesium meadows.
Oh my god.
I'm out of water. We're gonna fill up.
Yeah.
all the water there.
Okay, well, it feels amazing.
In just a minute.
Right?
And break time's over. We are all filled up on water from that really lovely, not moving really at all water source. Thank goodness for a filter.
So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard
We were over there
to
earlier.
let you go?
Okay, back half is much more doable than the first half. Much less technical, much less up and down. Finally moving at a decent pace. What I'm gonna call decent. 9.25 hours out here. We're at nearly 19 kilometers. Whew. 19 kilometers. So we got about another 10 kilometers to go. We're getting there. Getting there, long day.
So why is it so hard to let you
Brunswick Lake. One of a couple lakes that we're gonna go by before we start climbing up and out. I think that's gonna be our final climb, big climb, after we go by a couple lakes, maybe 3 altogether. Not entirely certain. We'll find out. Very pretty. Pretty lakes down here.
Yeah.
Really, yeah,
Ankle deep in mud.
check that out.
Literally.
That is some,
I'm gonna hold this.
oh yeah.
Take those out.
Yep, muddy sections back there. Quite muddy. Quite slippery down here. Don't have another peak. We don't have another peak.
It's rejuvenated you, Sarah.
I know. All we gotta do is go mostly down, and then we're done. Yay!
Everything hurts when I'm dying.
Is it so hard to let you go?
3.7K to the parking lot at Highway 99. Cool.
On a clear day. We would have had so many views. But we did see a bear, so that was a pretty exciting view.
We also heard a wolf.
Oh yes, and we just about got eaten by a wolf 5 minutes ago. We made it. We have made it back to the Porteau Cove parking lot where actually I parked my car early this morning, and we popped into Shearer's car, drove up to Cypress, so yay! I have 30.3 kilometers on my watch, a total time of 12 hours and 57 minutes total time. I don't know what moving time was, but total time, so yay! Well done.
You go.
Yeah.